Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are getting ready for Diwali. So first of all, wish you guys a very happy, safe and prosperous Diwali. And this is what I've come up with. This is the look. I've gone for glossy smoky eyes and pink lips. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you wish to see then keep on watching. I have my lenses on and it took me half an hour to add these lenses, and finally they are on. So I'm gonna quickly start with the priming my face, and I'm going to be using the Nivea Soft Vitamin E Light Moisturizer. Next I'm going to be using this facial oil by Milagro Beauty. It's the pure essential oil and it's a perfect dupe for the Fasali oil. It's really good, really hydrating, and it has this gold flakes in it. This one is really good for winters. आप सिर्फ अपने moisturizer के ऊपर ये oil लगा लो and it will give you a really nice glow. Winters में it's a must to use a facial oil if you are dry skin type like me. For foundation I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation. It's really good if you want a matte finish. The coverage is good as well. So, and guys, let me know how do these lenses suit me. Okay, so this foundation has some fragrance, which I do not like in foundations, but coverage seems good and it's on a fairer side, little bit fair for me. For concealer I'm using the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm using my Pack 272 brush to blend this out. I'm just stippling the brush and not moving the product away. Next I'm going to be locking everything in place with my face's setting powder. Next I'm going to add some color to my cheeks, and I'm going to be using this Colorbar blush in the shade Fallen Leaves. So I'm applying it on the areas where I would use a bronzer. So blush plus bronzer. Now it's time to add some glow, and I'll be using my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna set my face with this NYX NYX Radiant Finish setting spray. For my eyeshadow palette, I'll be using this Forever 52 Magnificent eyeshadow. So these are the beautiful shades, and I'll start with this black shade. And I'll press this on my lid. And I'll make sure that I don't go over or above my crease. And no, we are not going for black smoky eyes. You can also use a black kajal pencil. I'm gonna blend this shadow. थोड़ा सा मैं यहाँ पे blend करूँगी. I'll be using a brush like this. I'll lightly blend the edges of the black shadow. And now I'm gonna add this orange shimmery shade. Okay, so I'm pressing the orange shade on top of the black shadow. And just look at it, guys. Again I'm picking up this orange shimmery shade, and now I'm gonna place it in my inner corners. Next I'm gonna fill my waterline with this black eyeliner, gel liner from Forever 52, and I'm gonna smudge this with the flat shader brush. And you can also put little bit of baking powder जब भी आप black lower lash line में black use कर रहे हैं, so that I do not spoil my concealer. That's the complete eye makeup, and now I'm gonna add this Volume Million Lashes Mascara from L'Oreal, and then we'll add the lashes. So I've added the lashes and I've completed my brows, and now I'm gonna move on to the lips. I'll be using this lipstick from L'Oreal in the shade I Choose. completed look, and you can wear this for your Diwali parties and also for the wedding functions, and this will go with most of the outfits. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post new videos. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next time with new videos for the wedding season. Till then, bye bye.